So today what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at input validation, which is a standard algorithm. And this standard algorithm is composed of four main parts. We first of all ask the user to enter the value. We then use a while loop to check that value. If there's a mistake, we display an error, asking the user to fix it. And then we ask them to enter it again. So let's go through and do this input validation using these three steps. So I've got a wee program on the screen here. Create a program that only allows the user to enter an integer between 1 and 10. Now the integer part, we're not going to check for. We are going to make sure it's an integer they're entering. But if they enter something else, it will crash the program at this level. So let's have a wee look at how it works. So, right. So standard bit of code, first of all, we get the user to enter the number. Okay, so that's ask. Then we're going to use a while loop to repeat it until the person gets it right. So while number is less than 1 or the number is greater than 10. We're going to display an error. So that's ask, repeat while, and then okay, we're going to display the error. We're going to ask, repeat, error, and we're going to ask the question again. And for that, I'm just going to copy and paste the code from above down to the bottom. Make sure my indentation is correct. So this is ask, repeat, error, ask. And this forms a mnemonic called area. Ask, repeat, error, ask. So let's see if this program then works. So if we hit run, okay, it's going to ask us to enter a number between 1 and 10. So let's put in some wrong numbers. So 20 gives an error, 0 gives an error. So let's put a number slap bang in the middle, 5. And it accepts that input and the program exits. If we run it again and we're going to check the edges, we're going to check what we call the extremes. So the extreme value is 1, acceptable. At 10, also acceptable. So this is input validation using a while loop, and it uses area, which is ask, repeat, error, ask. And keep that mnemonic in mind, because that mnemonic is what's going to help us to do any program that requires input validation. Thanks.